Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, who will present today? Okay, you can start one by one. Okay, whoever is ready to present.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
I will.
Okay, Misha.
So, ma'am,
Yes.
is visible.
Yeah.
Good morning, ma'am, and everyone. I'm Musa Modi, here to present the presentation of geology. My topic about endocrine glands and hormones. Endocrine glands, they are called Douglas glands. Endocrine word means what endocrine is derived from the Greek word endo means uh, witching, crime meaning separation or secret. The secretory product of endocrine glands are called hormones. Hormones are the body's chemical messengers. They carry information and instruction from one set of cells to another. Hormone human endocrine system. The endocrine glands are hormones producing diffuse tissue cells located in different parts of our body constitute the endocrine system. The organized endocrine body in the human body are hypothalamus, pituitary glands, pineal glands, thyroid glands, parathyroid glands, thymus glands, adrenal glands, pancreas, and gonads. The image of endocrine system. Hypothalamus is located at the base of the brain near pituitary gland. While it is very small, the hypothalamus plays a crucial role in many important functions, including release hormones, regulating body temperature, pituitary gland. It is bony cavity called sella tussica and is attached to hypothalamus by a stalk. It is divided anatomically into an adenohypophysis and a neurohypophysis. And the adenohypophysis consists of two portions, pars distalis and pars intermedia. The pars distalis region of pituitary is commonly known as anterior pituitary. Neurohypophysis is also known as posterior pituitary. Examples of pituitary hormones are growth hormones, prolactin, prolactin, oxytocin, etc. Pineal gland. It is located on the dorsal side of forebrain. Pineal secrete a hormone called melatonin. Melatonin play a very important role in the regulation of a 24-hour diurnal cycle, body temperature. In addition, melatonin also influences metabolism, pigmentation, the menstrual cycle, as well as our defense capability. 4. thyroid gland. The thyroid gland is very vascular organ that is located in the neck. It consists of two lobes, one of each side of the trachea. The two lobes are connected by a narrow vein of tissue called the isthmus. Internally, the glands consist of triiodine, triiodopyronine hormones. The hormones contain iodine. Thyroid glands. Thyroid glands are four small glands of the endocrine system which regulate the calcium in our bodies. Thyroid glands are located in the neck behind the thyroid, where they continuously monitor and regulate body calcium level. 6. Thymus glands. The thymus gland is a labular structure located between lungs, behind sternum, on the ventral side of aorta. The thymus play a major role in the development of the immune system. This gland secretes the peptide hormones called thymosin. Thymosin play a major role in differentiation of the T lymphocytes. 7. Adrenal glands. In humans, one pair of adrenal glands are present, one at the anterior part of each kidney. The gland is composed of two types of tissue. Central, Centrally located tissue is called the adrenal medulla, and outside this lies the adrenal. 8. Pancreas. Pancreas is a composite gland which acts at both exocrine and endocrine glands. It plays an essential role in converting the food we eat into into fuel for the body cell, and exocrine function that helps in digestion, and an endocrine function that regulates body sugar. And last one, the gonads. Gonads are the male and female reproduction organs. Testes are the male gonads and ovaries in female. Thank you, ma'am.
Next one. Who would like to present next?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, can you see my screen?
Yeah, Monica. 057, right? Your
Yes, ma'am.
okay. You can present.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Monica Tamang, and today I'm going to give a presentation on the topic excretory products and their elimination. Firstly, what is excretion? The process of elimination of metabolic products from the animal body is known as excretion. Now, what are the excretory products? So, ammonia, carbon dioxide,
You can
urea,
do one
uric
thing,
acid.
Monica. You can make it full screen. That there is a logo on top. No, you can make it full screen. Your slide. You can, because your this one is so small. No, 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 no. Above there is a icon. No, by that search there is edit search, and by that side and above your screen, can you see an icon? Undo. In between search and undo, there is an icon. You can press that one, and the screen will become big. Yes, yes. Okay, okay. Carry on.
Now, the excretory products: ammonia, carbon dioxide, urea, uric acid, water, etc. are the excretory products. And now, what are nitrogenous wastes? Ammonia, urea, and uric acid are the nitrogenous wastes, which we will know in this. Now, ammonia first. Ammonia are highly toxic and requires lots of water. Organisms that excrete ammonia are called ammoniotelic organisms, example fishes, and the process of excretion of ammonia is called ammonoteliism. Urea. Urea are less toxic and requires less water. Organisms that excrete urea are called ureotelic organisms, example human, and the process of excretion of urea is called ureotelism. Uric acid. Uric acid are least toxic and requires less water or no water. Organisms that excrete uric acid are ureotelic organisms, example lizards, and the process of excretion of uric acid is called uricotelism. Excretory system. The system which helps in removal of waste products from an organism is called excretory system, and the human excretory system are kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra. This is the figure of human excretory system. The first is kidney. Kidney are a disc-brown, bean-shaped structure situated between of last thoracic and third lumbar vertebra, close to the dorsal inner wall of abdominal cavity. In an adult human, kidney measures 10 to 12 cm length, 5 to 7 cm width, 2 to 3 cm thickness, and average weight of 120 to 170 grams. It helps to filter out nitrogenous wastes and other metabolic wastes. This is the internal structure of kidney. Different parts of kidney. First, renal capsule. Renal capsule is the outer protective covering of the kidney. Second is renal cortex. Renal cortex is outer region of the kidney containing Bowman's capsule. Third is renal medulla. It is the inner region of the kidney containing renal pyramids. Fourth is the renal pelvis. It is funnel-shaped region where urine is collected and passed to the nephrons. Nephrons is a structural and functional unit of kidney. Then is ureter. Ureter is a human excretory system, and it is a tube that carries out urine from kidney to urinary bladder. There are two ureters, and each one is attached to each kidney. Number third is urinary bladder. It is a muscular bag-like structure that can stretch and hold about 1 liter of urine. Number 4 is urethra. Urethra is a small tube-like structure which carry out urine from the bladder to outside of the body. Thank you.
Okay. Next.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, you can share your screen.
Ma'am, is it visible?
Your screen is minimized, I guess. Yes. Now it's visible. Roll number 1, no?
Good morning, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am, and my dear friends.
You can also make
Is
it
it
full
okay?
screen. No, you can make it full screen. That button in between search and undo. Press that one in your screen above. No, not that one. Edit. You have clicked edit. That one. In between that search and undo. No, third one from left. Third button. Yes. Yes. You can start.
Today I'm going to present about chemical coordination and integration. Well, chemical coordination and integration, these different body activities are controlled and coordinated by the action of neural system and endocrine system. Endocrine system perform its action with the help of hormones. Hormones are non-nutritional chemicals which act as intercellular messengers and are produced in trace amounts. Well, in endocrine glands of human body, there are different types of in human body, hypothalamus, as we all know, hypothalamus is the basal part of the cerebellum forebrain, and it regulates a wide spectrum of body functions. It contains several groups of neurosecretory cells, called nucleic, which produce hormones. Pituitary gland. Number two, the pituitary gland is located in a body in which pituitary gland is located in our human body, called silla turisca, and is attached to hypothalamus by a stalk. It is divided anatomically into endophysis and a neurohypophysis. Endophysis consists of two portions, pars tilis and pars intermedia. Well, next, pineal gland. Pineal gland. Mm, pineal gland. The pineal gland is located on the dorsal side of forebrain. That's inside our brain, and then pineal secretes a hormone called melatonin. Melatonin plays a very important role in the regulation of a 24-hour rhythm of our body. Thyroid is in our neck is composed of two lobes which are located on either side of trachea. Both the lobes are interconnected with a thin flap connective tissue called isthmus. The thyroid is composed of and stromal tissues. Each thyroid follicle is composed of liver cells enclosing a cavity. Thyroid, parathyroid. Next, uh, parathyroid. In humans, there are four parathyroid glands present on the backside of thyroid gland. One bear in the lobes. In the two lobes of the thyroid gland, the thyroid gland secrete a peptide hormone called parathyroid hormone. The secretion of PTH is regulated by circulating levels of calcium ions. Thymus. Nextly, thymus. The thymus gland is a lobular structure located between lungs behind sternum on the ventral side of aorta. The thymus plays a major role in the development of our immune system. This gland secretes the peptide hormones called thymosins. And these thymosin plays a major role in the definition of T lymphocytes, which provide cell-mediated immunity. Nextly, pancreas. Pancreas is a composite gland which acts as exocrine and endocrine gland. Well, endocrine pancreas consists of islets of Langerhans. There are about 1 to 2 million islets of Langerhans in a normal human pancreas, representing only 1 to 2% of the pancreatic tissue. adrenal body has a number of adrenal gland, one at the anterior part of our kidney, in our backside of body. The gland is composed of two types of tissue. The central located tissue is called adrenal medulla, and outside is called adrenal cortex. Connects. These are testes in males and ovary in females. Thank you, ma'am.
Next. Who else is there? Only 3 of you gave today. No one. Out of 46 or 47 students, only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 13 of you have given till now. Out of 46 or 47 students. What about the rest? When we'll get no time, then I will not give you any marks for internal assessment, okay? So if classes finish and you don't get the time, then don't come to me. That's why I'm asking to give early, no? It's good for you. Who else is there? If no one is there, then I'll leave. Prepare for tomorrow. At least 4, 5 students should prepare for one day, no? I'll just wait for 2, 3 minutes, and if no one is there, then I'll leave. I think no one is there, no? Okay then. Prepare for tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we have a class again at 10. Prepare for tomorrow. At least 5 or 6 of you. Prepare for tomorrow. 5 or 6 of you. Prepare for tomorrow. At least 5 or 6 of you. Prepare for tomorrow. At least 5 or 6 of you. Prepare for tomorrow. At least 5 or 6 of you. Prepare for tomorrow. At least 5 or 6 of you. Prepare for tomorrow. At least 5 or 6 of you. Prepare for tomorrow. At least 5 or 6 of you. Prepare for tomorrow. At least 5 or 6 of you. Prepare for tomorrow. At least 5 or 6 of you. Prepare for tomorrow. At least 5 or 6 of you. Prepare for tomorrow. At least 5 or 6 of you. Prepare for tomorrow. At least 5 or 6 of you. Prepare for tomorrow. At least 5 or 6 of you. Prepare for tomorrow. At least 5 or 6 of you. Prepare for tomorrow. At least 5 or 6 of you. Prepare for tomorrow. At least 5 or Okay, so thank you. Can leave.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mm.
Thank you, ma'am.